So you might be in a situation where your particular Amazon Fire Remote TV, Fire TV remote, is basically flashing yellow. Now, this can happen for a few different reasons. The number one reason why something like this ends up happening is because your particular, device is basically giving you a connection problem. So what this basically means is that there's some random issue going on with it, and what you're going to have to do, and the easiest way, one of the easiest ways to go and fix this, could be by literally going through and swapping out the batteries of your particular Fire TV stick, remote. So what you can try doing here is you can actually go through, take your particular batteries inside of your particular device, and go ahead and, basically, swap them out. This in and of itself is another very, very easy thing you could try doing. And this is exactly what I try to recommend doing as well. So simply go through and restart your particular Fire, tick. So what you could try doing here is to go ahead, take those batteries out of your particular Fire TV remote, replace them, and you want to see if that ends up fixing the problem for a lot of people. And I guarantee you for a vast majority of people, that might end up fixing it for you. And that kind of is the very first thing I'd recommend doing. So just go through, basically just replace those batteries and see what ends up happening there. Now, another thing you can try doing on top of that is to actually go through and pretty much update your particular Fire Stick. So what you can do here, as long as your remote kind of just, is still working and everything, take your Fire Stick and go ahead and try, navigating to the buttons specifically to update that particular Fire Stick. And what I'd recommend doing here is to go ahead and basically update that Fire Stick. So make your way over to those settings, update it, and you want to see if that ends up fixing the problem too. And like I said, for a vast majority of people, that might end up working and that might end up fixing it for you. And that's exactly what I'd recommend doing in this particular situation as well. Now, as soon as you're done with that, another thing I'd recommend doing is to literally just restart it. So just go ahead and restart it. And that could be another way to fix it. If it's still not working, you may want to contact Amazon and let them know exactly what's going on as well, because it could be another issue that they could just go ahead and just fix easily on their side. So it's pretty much the main ways to go and fix it. If you have any other thoughts or questions, let me know in the comment section below. Hit the like button, that would mean so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. More importantly than everything else, I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out till then.